You need to give yourself a break. Eh? The vegetable you got from the farm today, you want to resell them. Eh? Don't you know you're a pregnant woman?
That is the main reason I am working hard, so I can save money and buy baby things.
It's Obina's duty to buy baby things. Oh, you want to balagime?
No. Onyala, I'm hearing you. See, if you know that you'll be here, you take my name out of your mouth. Do you understand? Why you calling me? What's that rubbish for?
Obim, you are around.
Yes, I'm around. See these clothes, please. Wash them for me. Huh? Get this thing washed for me and then let it get dry because I'm going to use them tomorrow.
Also, she will do no such thing. Hamaka, don't stop touching me. What's that? Eh? She will do no such thing. Since morning, Chinwe has been going from house to house to look for vegetable and plantain to sell. And now that she's back home to rest, you are telling her to wash these clothes. I don't understand. No, be knife and kill her. Eh? What have you been doing since morning? Tell me.
Anyway, I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Nekede, white bororo, oturu mpafu. That is what you are. It's because you have an opportunity, enough opportunity to stand in my space.
No! You are the one that is opportune to stand in the same space with me. Yes!
This is not what I want.
Stop. You are opportune to have Chinwe in your life. Eh? And you are misusing the opportunity. You're very lucky to have her. No. Telling her to go and wash your clothes.
Let her talk to me. No, let her talk. You see, you're talking to me. It's your fault.
Also, it's your fault.
It's your fault. I'm going to make you the opportunity. She won't have the guts to be talking to me like that. You see what you've caused? You see what you're causing? Anyway, I don't have time to banter words with you.
You cannot even try it.
Because I can piag me.
Imam Melia.
You understand? Okay.
She will do no such thing.
So let me make sure you
get what is wrong with you, Chinwe? Chinwe, I will not allow you to wash these clothes. I will not allow you to do that. This man is a very wicked man. He's heartless.
Calm down now. The problem I'm having with this thing now, you might think you're saving me, but you're putting me in danger.
My eyes! Look, what's wrong with your eyes? Come on, King. My King, are you okay? My King, can you see me? My King, can you see me?
I can't see anything.
What do you mean you can't see anything?
My King, can you see? I can't see.
My King, I am right here. You cannot see me.
Let's look inside. Let's look inside.
Uzo! My King, I am right here. It's me.
Let's look inside.
My King! My King, let's go inside.
Sorry, let's look inside.
Let's go. Sorry, my King. Let's go inside.
Buy your ripe plantain. Oye plantain abiago kwano.
See, you know the look. Eh? You know the something. You know the look.
Wait. Oh, yeah. Stop picking it. Stop picking it, I saw. What is wrong with you?
Bros,
go and pick that plant.
Sorry, I recall.
You are not going anywhere. You must pick it.
See, if you like this will catch me, Makachuku,
See, you have two options.
Oh.
Either pack it, bomb me and see.
This your pregnancy.
Give me the money.
Okay, wait, I'll pick up.
No.
You're back.
I didn't even know you are around. Chimo. Hey! I didn't even know you are home. Hey!
Didn't even know I'm home. Okay, now that you know, go and get something for me to eat. Go and prepare something for me to eat.
Eh?
What is eh? Need to understand what I said. I said go to the kitchen and prepare some food for me to eat.
Me, I just came back from the market. I'm tired. I've been hawking plantains since morning under sun. Let me rest more.
So because you've been hawking since morning till now, so I should go hungry. I could go now, right?
See, Obina, I just want...
Go to the kitchen and prepare something for me to eat. Eh? So I should go hungry because the almighty Chingo wants to rest.
No, it's not what I meant.
What did you mean?
Oh?
Go and get something for me to eat. You're still standing there doing slow.
Jesus.
That's your nick man for woman. It's your walking man. Ah. So what the women know what? That's what I'm tired. Brought something for me to eat, my friend. You want to burn King David.
Doctor, what did you just say? The king has lost his sight.
How? When? Why?
Medically, I've checked. We couldn't figure out anything. Looking at the king, his sight is clear. But looking at him, we cannot see. He has gone blind all of a sudden.
Doctor, does this make any sense? How could the king go blind all of a sudden? Are you not a physician? Couldn't you fathom why he became blind all of a sudden?
I'm sorry, my elders. But believe me when I say I have checked everything. I would advise we take the king to another hospital to see if they can find out the cause of his sudden blindness.
My friend, where is his office?
He's asleep. I decided to call you his most trusted man to tell you what is on ground.
This whole thing doesn't make sense to me at all. Yesterday, we all had a meeting with our king. Suddenly, he is blind. Can someone tell me what is going on here?
Elders, calm down. Great men are known and also prove who they are by the way of remaining silent in a chaotic situation. Our king will be fine. My queen, thank you for letting us know what is on ground. Doctor, we will take your advice. We'll take him to another hospital and know what the result will be.
Okay, that would be nice.
Are you saying we should wait until our king wakes up?
No, I think it's better you people go and come back later in the day.
Okay, that would be fine.
one and only graduate. Papa Shop. I salute you. One and only. A certified accountant. And that's on period. Wham! You're welcome.
Thank you, Auntie.
I am very glad. You're now a graduate.
Of course.
Imagine.
One and only graduate, Aunt. Don't forget that.
One. I did it, what? Immediately you called me. You were coming. I rushed into the kitchen to prepare something palatable and delicious for you.
Really? Tell me, what did you prepare?
Come inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell me, Aunt.
Come inside.
My mom. Is she inside?
No, she hasn't come yet. She will come inside first.
Really?
Come inside, she will soon.
Let's go see what you prepared. Auntie on the good life.
The food is ready. Let me bring water.
What is this now?
Your food.
My food. When I told you I'm hungry, did I ask you to get yam for me? Eh? No, you brought this yam as what? As a goat that eats yam or what? Eh? You should have used your sense to prepare fufu and egusi soup for me. Or pando and nsala. Yeah?
My love, anyway, you have to manage this. This is all we have. I did not really make sales today. You don't even know what happened. Do you know that one boy pushed me down? If not for the help of Mama Ekene, it's not easy for me.
You're just stupid. I'm talking about what I will eat. You're telling me your love, this and that, this and that, this and that. If I close my eyes and open, you go and get me a solid food to eat.
But this is all we have at home at the moment. Bikon.
You think I'm joking or what? Eh? See, I'm going out now. I'm going out to do something. Before I come back, make sure you get me solid food to eat. What nonsense now? Eat your food. Right now I come back. Where's my guitar?
Eh?
Where's my guitar?
It's inside.
It's inside. Oh, Bugari, Jipor, Mama Kusi. Yam my guitar, where boys.
I'm so sorry, my baby. I will not be able to come again today. There's a situation in the palace and it needs my utmost attention. Yes, don't worry. Celebrate with your auntie, okay? I will make it up to you when I come by weekend. Yes, once again, congratulations on your passing out. Yes, I'll get you some gifts when I'm coming, okay? Hold on, I will call you back.
My queen, the king is ready to leave for the hospital.
Oh, all right. Let's take him to the car.
Hey, Ume.
My friend.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Ume.
I'm fine.
It's okay, it's fine.
How are you?
Shine. How is pregnancy treating you?
My sister, it's not easy. Swear, Makachi.
Don't worry. Very soon you'll put to bed and you will rest.
I can't wait.
Yes.
Thank God you even came. I wanted to come to your house.
I hope everything is okay.
Ne. Everything is fine now. You know that woman that I buy plantain from?
Yes.
She called me on to come and take plantain. I'm going there tomorrow.
And you want someone to go with you? I am your friend, don't worry, I'll go with you, okay?
See, it's not just that. I also need money. My money is not complete. I tried, like I was saving money. No situation of life.
Why is your money not complete? Wait, let me guess. You have used the money and cooked for Obinna.
Ne, what will I do? Do you know I cooked Jim Manu for him? He almost killed me. He said I should go and cook nsala with goat meat and everything. I had to go and buy food stuff now and prepare it for him. God is happy.
You would have allowed him to starve to death. What is your problem?
The person we are talking about is still my boyfriend, my unborn child's daddy. I should allow him to die.
He's
Why?
your boyfriend and not your husband. Chiwe, why are you doing this? How long are you going to continue this? This guy is not even yet married to you. Someone who is not even appreciating your efforts, and you're here killing yourself over him. All he knows how to do is to eat, ask for sex and money. What is your problem?
Just tell me, will you borrow me the money? Biko, will you give me the money? I will pay back. You know how I used to pay back.
How much are we talking about here?
It's just 10,000 naira.
Yeah?
10,000.
10,000. Don't worry, my fiancé gave me 20,000 naira to make my hair. So I'll give you 10,000 naira out from it.
20,000 naira just for hair?
Just for hair.
That guy loves you.
Yes, so, and that is why I am telling you, Jimmy, please leave Obinna. That guy did not, deserve roge cha-cha.
Leave him to where? I'm no fan. Where do I go to? Who will accept to date me? Not talk of marriage with this pregnancy.
See, there are good men out there that are ready to take care of you. You and your baby. Obinna will kill you one day. Kill. So tell me.
Asodo. Mama, you too much.
Thank you.
I am so proud of you. Let me tell you, I'm very proud. I am that thing. It's not easy. Hey, it is not easy to go to the university, study accounting, and then graduate with flying colors. You are too much. It is not easy because if it is easy, Onyinye, try it. Hey, you're too much.
I don't understand. Look, Amara, I am happy for her. Same way you are. Well, I don't get where this, if it is easy on your try.
Don't think it too much. Don't think about it too much. All she's just trying to say is that the intention might be there. But you know now, do you have the money? Does your parents have the money to foot the bill? If it is easy, that's what she said. If it is easy, whether you feel run now. No. It is not easy, my darling. But no offense.
I only came here to congratulate and welcome you. I didn't come here to receive insults.
Well, insult to what? Did I insult her? Did I say? I did not.
Biko, just calm down. Calm down. You know what? Let's just forget all about this. In spirit of the celebration of my passing out, I'd like to take both of you out.
Really?
Oh, so just name any place you like to go to, and I will take you there and pay for every single thing you buy.
Rita, are you being serious?
I am
In
super
that
serious.
case, let's go to the new bar they just opened down there.
Really?
Bam, let's go there.
New
It's a
buy
bush
thing.
bar.
Yes,
You
let's
have
go there.
bush meat, everything you want.
Don't worry, I am equal to the Rita of the good life is talking. You know what? Let me go and change into something peng. You know now, I need to look peng and good all the time. So let me just go change into something really peng and hot.
Then go and
Then
dress.
we'll just hit the bush bar.
Go and
Okay?
dress.
I'll be right back, girls. And no fighting.
No, we're not
Rita of the good life is back.
Go and change.
Back for
You
good.
Maka.
Yes.
You are so beautiful.
On point.
Wear nice clothes. So you will show the world.
Hey!
But what she's wearing is not bad.
Hey, she's a graduate.
No.
She.
As a graduate, you need to be on point and on period.
We are waiting.
We are waiting. Hey, graduate, bye.
Amara, please let me quickly warn you. Next time, don't talk to me like that. What's the meaning of that now? Have you gone to school? Have you gone to school?
I have not gone to school.
So why are you using me as
If it
instance?
is, try am.
You, if it is the try am now.
I cannot try
If it is the try am. Don't try that
cannot
nonsense
try
with me
it
again. I don't like it.
Maria, when you take it easy, we are going to push back.
What nonsense.
Calm down.
Bozo, thank you for today. I really appreciate.
I am not worthy to receive my king's appreciation.
Ozo, thank you so much. Okay? You can go.
Thank you, my king.
My king, you should rest. Tomorrow we'll go to other hospitals, okay? Hmm?
I will not visit another hospital again.
My king, but why? Don't tell me you're giving up already.
What would you have me do? We visited so many hospitals today. They all said the same thing our family doctor said. So what would be the need to visit another hospital that will give us same result?
My king, so what do you want to do now?
Nothing. I am planning to call my elders for a meeting to see if I can seek for their opinion.
When do you intend to call for this meeting?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Huh. My king, I won't be around tomorrow.
Whether you are around or not, we won't be needing you in the meeting.
Oh, okay. All right. I will tell the guards to give the message to the elders early in the morning tomorrow so that they will be aware of the meeting.
Talking about you not being around tomorrow, do you have an official engagement?
No, my king. My king, I want to visit a sick friend.
Okay.
My king, let me help you.
Please, do you have change? I'm looking for 500 naira. My customer that patronized me, I need to give the person change.
Chinwe, do you want to kill yourself? Why are you hawking under this hot sun, eh? What if you run and mistakenly you slip your feet and you fall on the floor? What are you going to say?
Oh, I don't understand why you're asking me why I'm hawking under the sun. If I don't hawk, how do I make money to cook food for Obina and myself? Eh?
See, Obina is supposed to be supporting you with this business, so he should be helping you out.
It's not. Do you have change? 500 naira. 500, Ibo.
Okay, well, I don't know.
Hi.
No, I kept money somewhere. I kept money somewhere. When you lie on this. Okay. It's a 500.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, take your 1,000.
No. You can keep the 1,000. What are friends for? Eh?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Don't worry, eh? I'll go and talk to my friend, but first let me get home and do something. Later I'll see him and talk to him.
Thank
you. He should be supporting you with your business, eh? Not the other way around.
Before my customer will be.
No, it's okay. Hi, Bina. It's my friend. Okay.
Is everything in the boot? And my handbag?
It's in the car.
All right, step aside. Let me have the key.
Are you driving yourself?
Yes, I am driving myself, okay?
Should I call your personal maid?
Listen, I am going to see somebody and I want to go alone. Do you understand that?
Yes, my queen.
Thank you.
He sees everything. Easy. You're running faster than your shadow. Beautiful, elegant, educated, but you ain't full of. You ain't full of.
I called all of you here because I have run out of options. I have visited so many hospitals for them to dictate the cause of my blindness. To no avail. How can I go From a complete king to a blind one. Please, I am seeking for your suggestions. What else should I do?
My king, my fellow elders, I greet you all. Borrowing a cue from what our king just said, we cannot just sit, fold our hands, and do nothing. I am suggesting we fly our king overseas for treatment. Who knows, the doctors over there might be able to find the true cause of his blindness and profile solution to it.
Ishin Nabife is right. Maybe the hospitals down here do not have the required facilities to dictate the root cause of the king's blindness. My fellow elders, you have spoken well. But I've grown to know that blindness is spiritual, especially this time. Some either comes from the several as a punishment of their wrongdoing. Some are born special because their she wouldn't want them to see evil. Some comes from the ancestors. But I think we are seeking answer from the wrong places.
Iche Idemba is making sense. Eh?
Yes. Oh no, go ahead.
Thank you, my king. Maybe what you are suffering is spiritual. And that is why no medical eye has been able to see the cause of it.
So if that is the case, what do you suggest we do?
Ishen Nabife, there is a reason the gods gave us a servant. Ufufe. I suggest we go to him so that he can consult the gods and know why our king is blind.
Iche Udemba. Indeed, there's a reason. You are the Onowu of this great kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
In that case, let me go and get the eye of the gods.
May the gods of our land go with you.
Easy, easy. You're running faster than you should. You are beautiful, elegant, dedicated, but you are full. Full. You are full. You are full. Full.
Mom!
My darling. Asam. And then a
Mom.
Achalugum.
You look really beautiful, Mom.
Oh, mwah.
Mom, you look beautiful.
You don't look bad yourself, my darling.
Thank you. Elegant.
By the way, congratulations.
You can say that again. Being an accountant, it's not easy.
At all.
And I graduated with flying colors.
I know. I
And that's
trust my
on
darling.
Period.
Okay, so where's your auntie?
Oh, she went to the market. But trust me, she'll be back in a jiffy. Come inside.
I have some foodstuffs in the boots.
Oh, really?
Let's offload them.
What? Hell no, Mom. You expect me to actually... Oh, come on, Mom.
You know what? I'll just call my friends, let them come over and do that. A graduate like myself, an accountant. Do you know what that means?
My princess,
No,
I'm
I don't
sorry.
do dirty jobs, please.
my
That's for commoners. I don't do all that.
It's all right, my princess. You don't have to stress yourself about that.
I know.
Get the commoners to do that,
Exactly.
okay? All right.
Okay, come. I'm done with this. I just send them an SOS.
Okay.
Let's go. Yes.
My princess.
Oh, look, your footsteps are really changed. I can see you're being taken care of.
Say that again.
Come on, please.
The gods has proven to be the strength of the weak once more.
Eye of the gods. What did the gods say?
My king, the gods are punishing you for abandoning the only fruit they gave you.
Fruit? What are you talking about?
Your daughter. You abandoned the only daughter they gave you, and they are punishing you for that.
I did not abandon her. I have searched for her for so many years. I couldn't find her.
You did not search well. If you had, you would have found her. You will get well again. But until your daughter steps her foot in this palace, search for her, or blind you shall remain. If you be a kuga kosi ekwo, oka mumandeti, igidi dingidi. If you be okay mango, opo. If you be a kuga kosi ekwo, oka mumandeti, igidi dingidi. If you be okay mango, if you be a kuga kosi ekwo,
My king, finding a princess who got missing for over 13 years, it's not going to be easy.
I went to the market to get some food. I never knew you would be here so early.
My dear, I have to come here early so that I'll go back early. Now that the king is blind, the palace needs me.
The king is now what?
Blind though.
How, Mom?
My dear, I don't know how. But whatever it is that made him blind is working in my favor.
Why do you say so?
Now that he is blind, I will now oversee some affairs of the kingdom. And you know, affairs that concerns money. That way I will make some money, you know?
Smart. I have always known my mom is the smartest.
You can say that again, my daughter.
Anyway, king aside, Mom, do you remember I told you I wanted to study abroad? You know, I wanted to go for my master's abroad.
You will go to any country of your choice for your master's.
Thank you, Mommy.
I will get some money from the king and give you so that you will do your clearance and all that.
Thank you, Mom.
You don't have to thank me. Yes. I have to take care of you and my sister. I'm taking care of you and my sister. What's the main reason why I married the king of Omani Kingdom? And that palace is ours.
As shall remain.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, hail the queen.
Aww.
One of Umwana Kingdom.
The one and only.
Say it
And
again.
that's on period.
Say it again. That reminds me.
Mommy.
I got a little gift for you both.
What's it, Mom?
My darling, go to the car.
Okay.
The rear door.
I can't
open it and bring the bag.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
Oh, so
How beautiful you
are. You are beautiful.
I got a man
About near gel now. Can you touch a gay Bobby? Calm down. You can have follow. Whoa. Should be drinking warm water and banana. Okay. That banana don't chew it, swallow it, so your vocal cords will open. Okay. I did. Do it.
Oh, me came back.
You don't sing from here, sing from here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Bro, you know what? Each time you play this guitar, it takes over me. Wow. Do you know what? You are the best guitar that I ever know. In fact, you're the best guitarist in this state. Nobody can drag it with you as far as I'm concerned.
I'm not even the best in this village. Talk more of being the best in this state.
What's wrong with you?
Become the best here first, then who state.
You know, look at what you're saying. Is there any occasion or is there any music band that don't invite you to come and play guitar for them? Why are you underrating yourself, my brother? Listen, let them look down on yourself. Oh. You are the best to me. You're the best. Well, look at you. Play something else. I'm enjoying this. Chinwe, you're back.
Yes.
You sold everything.
Today's I hear well, I had good luck.
Oh, that's good. Okay, go inside. You need your rest, eh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Obim, Dalu, good afternoon.
What is so good about this afternoon? That you finished selling everything, you sold off everything. That is what is good about this afternoon, right?
I'm sorry if my greeting got you angry.
Chinwe. I heard when you said, "Na afiaga wale." Say the wale. Oria, I will be needing some money if you don't mind.
Eh?
Didn't you hear me? Are you deaf?
Sorry.
I was sorry. I need some money.
But I gave you some money when I was going out.
You gave me. It's finished. I need another one.
Don't do this to me. You know I borrowed money from my friend. I borrowed 10,000 naira from her to do this business, so I need to pay her back.
Yeah, she's your friend now. So tell her that you pay her back.
Because she's my friend, I should not pay. If I don't pay her now, it will be hard for me to borrow next time that I need money.
Okay, because I now ask you for money. Little money, just little 3,000 naira. You cannot even give me. If you cannot give me 3,000 naira, then why are we together? Okay, you don't want to give, right? No. You don't want no problem now. No problem. Don't give me. It's okay.
Sorry, I'll give you. I'll give you. It's just that no problem.
Oh, yeah. Just something or whatever. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about.
Now what for you? How long will you continue like this? No, seriously, how long will you continue to treat her this way?
I don't understand.
You just manipulated Chinwe.
Manipulated Chinwe, my girlfriend. So you call that manipulation? That I asked my girlfriend for money?
Just look at you. Chinwe is only your girlfriend when you need money from her. Now, if you know her, just look at you. Eh? It's not as if you don't make money for yourself. Oh. You make a lot of money and yet you can't even give an account of what you do with your money. All you do is squander money and then you run back to Chinwe to collect the little money she has made for herself.
I won't balance stop where I'll have to here. Mind the things you say. Do you understand?
I am not insulting you. I'm only telling you the truth. Stop maltreating this babe. Come on. She doesn't deserve this. She's a good girl.
What's your business now? Mind your business now. What is your own? What is it?
I'm your friend. And I will never stop telling you the truth.
Nah, don't stop it. Oh.
Obina, listen. Sorry. Fine. Sorry.
Abulumbali, stop well. I don't like this you're doing. What's your problem? Is Chinwe complaining?
Because she loves you, that's why she's not complaining.
So what is your problem?
My problem is just this. No woman will tolerate this kind of character from you. They will never ever tolerate it. Even the women of this generation, 21st century, will not descend so low to date a low budget guitarist like you. Yes, low budget. We're level.
You're the one who said that I'm the best in this state. And you're the one who's saying that I'm low budget. Okay, I'm low budget, right?
You are the best when you play a song like this.
Low budget me, don't worry. I'll be eating my low budget alone. Don't worry.
I'm low budget.
I will turn to head hunter. If I don't see my baby, I will turn to head hunter.
Who is that? Ozo, is that you?
What bothers the great king of Omani?
My queen, are you back?
Yes, my king, I am back.
You're welcome. But it took you almost the whole day to see the sick friend of yours.
My king, we got talking, you know, stories and all that. And before I realized it was this late.
I heard you didn't go with any guard or maiden from this palace.
Yes, my king. I didn't want to attract unnecessary attentions.
Oh. You are the queen. You are not supposed to leave this palace without a guard or a maiden.
No, my king. But I like my life simple without attentions. You know that.
But what do you expect when you agree to marry me as my wife? Yes, queens usually attract attention.
I know, my king. It's okay. My king, please, can I just go up and refresh and then come down and be with you?
I want to start looking for my daughter again.
Which daughter are we talking about?
My missing princess. I want to find her this time.
Oh, my king. How do you intend to find her? The princess that went missing 13 years ago. For all you know, she might be dead by now.
She is not dead. My daughter can be dead. She's alive. I'm sure of that.
It's all right, my king. Hey, you know that I will always support whatever decision you take. If you want to start looking for her again, it's all right. Let's go ahead and do that.
Are you mad? You're stupid. How dare you touch me? How dare you even hug me? When did that one start now?
But why now? Why did you slap me?
I said, no, why?
You shouldn't have slapped me now. Eh? You know, for a very long time now, you've been in school. Immediately I saw you, love pushed me to hug you.
Love? Wogi there. Are you mad? What kind of nonsense, dirty talk is that one? Will you close your stinking mouth? What kind of dirty love is that? Don't you dare repeat it next time. Do you know how much I spend on my skin?
You don't.
Do you know how I manage to take care of my skin? Even if you sell the whole of your father's properties in this village, it's not still enough to buy my skincare products. So don't you dare touch me next time. Do you understand that?
Rita, isn't this too much for a handful of?
Will you shut your mouth? What is wrong with you? How dare you talk when I'm still talking? Don't try it next time. Else I'll forget that you're my friend. What nonsense is that?
Rita, you know I love you. Yes, I understand the fact that I don't have money to take care of you right now. But I'm still going to make it. I'm still hustling. Listen, all I need you to do is just stand by me and watch me make it.
Oh, you spoiled it again. What is wrong with you now? Don't you see how expensive I look? Take a good look at me. I do not date or accept broke idiot like you because I am too expensive. And by the way, if you're looking for someone who will stand by you, take a bike. Or better yet, even keke. No, you cannot even afford it. Take this your 2 left leg, go to the market and go and buy a standing fan.
Exactly. Look at you. You're looking for someone to stand by you when you don't even have a slippers that can stand by your side. Look at this, my graduate here. She is full of shame.
Hey.
And then you're standing here with your poverty self saying, stand by me. Let me tell you, this person you're seeing right here is for the rich Odobu them.
Tell him.
Not for you.
Explain it to him. Full option.
Oh, yes.
Take a good look at me.
Look at her.
So the next time you find it necessary or even have the urge to open your dirty, stinking, disgusting and irritating mouth to talk to me, make sure that you've had 3 square meals that day.
My graduate, this is not 3 square meal. From where? Origo 1 square.
You are truly correct.
Neafia, look at his tummy. Does it look like someone that has eaten today?
There's no square there, obviously. I don't want to spoil my mood talking to this nitwit. Let's leave this place. I don't talk to fools.
Oh,
Rita.
oh, you want you to go on, my
All this
graduate.
insult is because I love you.
What are you still doing standing there?
Suffering, come to an end. I am humble,
Rita.
but love.
Rita, I will make it big.
Hey!
Hey.
Sorry. Hey.
And don't listen off, ma.
I'm telling you.
Don't hide the sun, eh?
Sorry. You need water.
I'll be fine.
It's okay. Let me ask you. What are you going to do with all this plantain and vegetable you got from the farm today?
You already know, resell.
Chinwe, you need to give yourself a break. You need to give yourself a break. Eh? The vegetable you got from the farm today, you want to resell them. Eh? Don't you know you're a pregnant woman?
That is the main reason I am working hard, so I can save money and buy baby things.
It's Obina's duty to buy baby things. Oh, you want to balagime? Eh?
Onyala, I'm hearing you. See, if you know that you'll be here, eh? Eh? You take my name out of your mouth. Do you understand? Why you call him? What's that rubbish for?
Obim, you are around.
Yes, I'm around. See these clothes, please. Wash them for me. Huh? Get this thing washed for me and then let it get dry because I'm going to use them tomorrow.
Also, she will do no such thing. Hamaka, don't stop touching me. What's that? Eh? She will do no such thing. Since morning, Chinwe has been going from house to house to look for vegetable and plantain to sell. And now that she's back home to rest, you are telling her to wash these clothes. I don't understand. No, be knife and kill her. Eh? What have you been doing since morning? Tell me.
Anyway, I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Nekidi, white bororo, oturu mpafu. That is what you are. It's because you have an opportunity, enough opportunity to stand in my space.
No. You are the one that is opportune to stand in the same space with me. Yes!
This is not what I want.
You are opportune to have Chinwe in your life. Eh? And you are misusing the opportunity. You're very lucky to have her. No. Telling her to go and wash your clothes.
Let her talk to me. No, let her talk. You see, you're talking to me. It's your fault.
Also, it's your fault.
It's your fault. I'm gonna make you the opportunity. She won't have the guts to be talking to me like that. You see what you've caused? You see what you're causing? Anyway, I don't have time to banter words with you.
You cannot even try it.
Because some darling can piag me.
Imam Melia.
You understand? Okay.
She will do no such thing.
So let me make sure you
get what is wrong with you, Chinwe? Chinwe, I will not allow you to wash these clothes. I will not allow you to do that. This man is a very wicked man. He's heartless.
Calm down now. The problem I'm having with this thing now, you might think you're saving me, but you are putting me in danger.
I'm not putting you in danger.
He will beat me because of this thing. I know how Obina behaves.
You will not try it.
I'm the one that will suffer this ongoing about church. That's why I was telling you, calm down. Calm down.
He will not try it. He will not try it. I will give it to him notoriously. He will not even try. What are you doing? You will not wash it. You will not try. What's that? I like what me find name.
My king, you sent for me. And since I got here, you haven't said a word. Is everything all right?
Oh no, everything is not okay. I have a lot of things running through my head.
Let some of them out. I'm here to listen.
Let's start from telling the town crier to make an announcement.
Town crier? Announcement? About what?
My daughter. Anyone who finds her will receive the sum of 5 million naira from me.
Do you think it's the right thing to do?
Oh no, it is. Things has changed over the years. Tell him to make this announcement not only in Omani Kingdom, he should extend it to the neighboring kingdoms.
So you want the town crier to extend the announcement to our neighboring towns?
Yes, or no, it is. The announcement will not only be made in Omani, it should be extended to other neighboring kingdoms. Maybe someone somewhere may know her whereabouts.
So you want the town crier to extend the announcement to our neighboring towns?
Yes. I must find my daughter this time around.
It's all right. I will take the message to our village town crier right away.
Thank you.
I beg my leave.
He wants to find her. He is determined to find that witch after everything I have done for him. After standing by him for years, I thought he has forgotten about her. But here he is, trying to find her after 13 years. I can't let him find her. Over my dead body, would that girl return to this palace?
My love.
Thunder fire you and that your love. Where's my 2,000 naira? The 2,000 naira that is in the pocket of this trouser, where is it? Who took my money?
It's just 2,000 naira.
I know it's just 2,000 naira. Just, yes, I know. But who took it? Eh?
When I was arranging your clothes, I saw the money.
You saw it, so that's the reason you took it.
I took it. See, I did not use it to do anything useless. So I added it to the money I used to buy food stuff.
See what thunder fire you there? Odon Burima, the wagon. Fuck all day. You took it. Use it to buy money food stuffs. Yeah? For what now? So you now steal my money. You now steal my money and you take it. Listen, I'm going to work right now. But before I return, make sure you return that money in this same trouser pocket. Do you understand? You saw it and you arranged it and you took it. In a sure around me. Return that money, oh. Return it, oh. Return it. If you don't return that money by the time I come back, I will send you out of this house. Just try me.
This 2,000 naira, give it back to Obinna.
Hey, Mban, Ifoma, you can't give me another money when I've not paid the one I took from you.
What would you have me do? Let you go back to Obinna so that he can beat you up because of 2,000 naira when I have it?
I would have just gone around to find another way out.
What are you planning to do? To go and beg people who will still mock you the moment you turn around? No, now. I will not allow you to do that. I am your friend. Okay? So I will continue to help you as long as I have whatever you need. Okay? It's okay. You can have it. Please. Please, don't you dare drop those tears. The baby in your womb won't be happy. Biko. Oh?
Ifoma. My God will bless you.
Bless you too.
I don't know what I would have done without you in my life. You keep coming through for me. You keep showing me love for no reason. Chukugoziegi, oh?
What are friends for? So tell me, what are you going to do about Obinna?
How do you mean?
You can't continue like this. You can't continue with him like this.
From you of all people should know I don't have anybody. I don't have anywhere to go.
You have me. You have my house. You can stay here with me. What you do?
Oh,
there she goes again. There she goes again. Always looking for always to end this conversation. What is your problem, Seth? I know you want to skip this conversation. That is why you are standing out. I appreciate you when
Where are you coming from?
You said I should go and look for your money before you come back. I'm not supposed to stay here and money will fall from heaven, so I had to go and look for money.
See, don't even try to insult me or anything that resembles insult. Don't even go near it. Don't even do something to look like an insult, because it won't be good. Eh? It won't look nice at all. Where is my money?
Life of pain, suffering and smiling.
Chigas Blang Akamal. You're the luckiest woman on earth. Now this one is done. Go in there, fix something so we eat.
There is no food though.
I don't understand. What do you mean by there is no food? Weren't you cooking before I left?
I had to sell the food I was cooking so I can raise your 2,000 naira for you.
Osi,
Yes, Nangezuoshi.
you sold the food you were cooking for me. Ha. Oh. Chinwe, you're playing with fire. You're playing with fire. This looks like a nice track. This guy is playing with me. Chinwe, I'll kill you. Fix something for me to eat now. This is a nice track. You're playing with fire. You're playing with fire.
My heart is broken. If I never
My king, here is the drink you requested for.
Okay. Put it in my hand. You may leave.
Thank you, my king.
My king. My king, don't you think it's time to retire to bed?
My queen, the feeling of not being able to see anything is unexplainable.
You will be fine. You will be fine. Huh?
Where is my daughter?
My king, you haven't given up already. Huh?
I can't give up. Never.
Since you made this announcement, nobody has come forward with any news of the princess or even her whereabouts. My king, I think you should just forget it and move on.
No, I must find her. I must find my child.
Okay, amen. You will find her. That is my prayers for you. Can I now take you up so that you will retire to bed?
Why don't you join me?
Let me test it.
My lord, you are going out? You are carrying your bag this early morning without saying a word or the banana.
Can you for once behave like I'm an invisible guy, you know? Like I want to pass you didn't see me.
Obi, how is that possible? You are all I have. Eh? How can I act as if you're invisible? Eh? Where are you going?
Okay, if you care to know, I'm going to the city. My crew and I were going to play for somebody in the city. The man is doing his birthday, so he invited us.
Oh, wow, that's a good news.
So
you will not be back today?
Obviously, if I know who he. Obviously.
Okay, please, can you give me some money for food stuff, Biko? So I can be able to be eating well.
Yeah, F key.
Please, can you give me money for food stuff. You
Yeah.
cannot be going without dropping anything for me. Oh, and God.
Yeah, see.
Please, it's the money I'm talking about.
Okay. This is what I've been looking for, Baz. I'm coming.
No problem, safe.
Joy is coming. It can only take time. For how long will you hold this secret? For how long you are holding the kingdom? Makuku chwe kumbala biuba. Ichaba danyi nalu ajamwadiyo. Our kingdom is stand still because of you. Our king is.
He is not giving up. And I don't think he would give up anytime soon. I don't want that girl to return to this palace. And for that not to happen, I need to do something so that search can stop.
My queen, the meal is ready. My queen, did you...
I heard you! Get out!
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your stupid self.
It can only take time, take time. 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 Then I
will raise your sister. I be your niece. Bring her out here. Because I am going to beat her blue and black the way she beat my sister. Bring her out here!
Azuka, is that why you are yelling on top of your voice? And who are you calling premature daughter of nobody?
Yes, she's my niece.
Yes.
Hey.
Azuka. So, if I bring Rita out, in this place, you'll be able to beat her. As you are. And will call follow. Eh? You that is looking like bonga fish. That you want to beat my niece up. Come on, see about
it's alright. I am here for your idiot sister. See, you better bring her out here now. Because I am going to beat her blue and black. The way she did to my sister. Okay, you are laughing.
Hey!
I'm prepared.
Oh, wait. Let me ask you. If you are not a mad person, tell me how you should barge into my compound, yelling on top of your voice over two grown-ups that fought. Eh? You said my sister is premature. Premature person has beaten mature person up. Then what have you to say? Nothing. Because
like sister. I don't blame you. Anyways, I am going. But warn her. I will repeat myself again. Warn her.
Because if look at her. Bonga fish. If you are here, let me see down your leg in this compound again. Imagine. Eh? Azoka. Hey! Calling my own niece premature. Let Rita here. But this Rita. This girl will not kill me in this house.
Hey, Chiwe, I don't like this thing you're doing to yourself. Eh? This is not a life, oh. Chiwe, this is not a life, oh. How can Obina travel without dropping a dime for you? Eh? Knowing fully well that he's not coming back today. What's that?
The thing is very tiring and frustrating. Ago and Yugo mana.
Seriously, this is not nice at all. Eh? Can you imagine? He
didn't even drop any money for you, and yet you allowed him to leave the house. Just like that.
What would I have done? You wouldn't have allowed him to leave without giving you the money. What kind of nonsense is that? Eh? How can he travel without dropping a dime for you? You would have taken his guitar away from him. What's that? Eh? No money, no music, no going to the city to play music for anybody. No doing nonsense in the car.
Ne, it's like you want me to die in this my pregnancy. You expect me to do all of that in this condition? With this my pregnancy? Obina will just kill me. He does not care about me.
Oh. But Chinwe, you cannot continue like this. Eh? You cannot continue like this now. This life doesn't suit you at all. Eh? Obina is not just the man for you. Okay, for Obina, he does not deserve you. Cha. This life no suits you.
I'm already pregnant for him, so he's the man for me.
Fine, you win. Nah, you can't even kashima. I prepared white rice and stew. Yes. Are you going to eat?
Aye, oh yeah. Ewe, let's go to your house, go. Let's go.
Really? Hey, look at the way you just jacked up. Eh? My sister, you really need the white rice and stew. Sha, let's go. Look at the way you jacked up. See my friend though. You too like white rice and stew, I swear.
I am here for something important. Like I said, the king is looking for the lost princess again. I don't know why he started looking for her after 13 years. And he said he will give 5 million to whoever brings any information concerning her. 5 million naira.
5 million naira? That's a whole lot of money.
And no one will be able to get it. Because I don't see the possibility of finding the lost princess after 13 years.
Anyway, we are going to find the lost princess and we are going to get the money.
How do you intend to do that, sister?
When I say we'll find the lost princess, I didn't mean the actual princess. Yes, Rita, this is an opportunity for you to enter the palace and live there.
Me?
Yes, you. You are my daughter. You are a princess. And you are 28 years old, just like the witch that the king is looking for. You are fair and she is fair. So I mean, this is an opportunity for you.
What are you saying? Sister, wait. You want Rita to impersonate the lost princess?
Yes.
Mom, so you want me to come live in the palace as a princess?
Don't you want to?
Of course, why wouldn't I? Who wouldn't want to live in the palace as a princess? Definitely not me.
That's my daughter. You know, you always think like me.
Yes, mother.
Then how do you take her into the palace? What will you tell the king? Who will you say she is to the king?
But I know about the lost princess and what made her to run away from the palace. So all I need to do is to school Rita. Tell her what she needs to do and bam, we go from there. The problem now is that I don't have the person that will tell the king. That's all.
About that. Relax your pretty head. Whom to send? Not a problem. I know someone we can send.
Who?
Nonso.
Nonso? The one that has been liking you for years now.
Yes. Of course, Aunt. Nonso is just the perfect person to send. I mean, he's been liking me. Who better to send than someone who is obsessed with you? Nonso it is.
Okay, I have to meet him so that I will tell him the story to tell.
Not a problem, mother.
Greetings, my queen. It's my honor to...
Save the pleasantries. I heard you like my daughter.
Yes, my queen. I've been liking her for years now.
Does that mean you are willing to do anything for her?
Yes, my queen.
Good. I will want you to be in Omani Kingdom tomorrow morning. When you get there, I will grant you access to see the king. Tell the king that you know where his lost daughter is. Tell him that 13 years ago, a young girl ran into your community wearing school uniform, and that a lady picked her up and has been raising her. Tell him that you have been friends with the girl since she came into the community. Make the king believe that you are very close to the girl. All right?
Oh, my queen, I don't follow. I mean, I don't understand.
I don't need to tell you everything. Just tell the king a story, that is all. Tell him a believable story. Is that too hard to ask you?
Not at all, my queen.
Anyway, tell the king that you and Princess Knwin are friends and that you know her very well.
But my queen, I don't know any Princess Knwin.
Huh. Are you dumb? Just tell a little lie that I will pay you for 1 million naira.
1 million naira. In that case, I'll do it. Ma'am, I will add, even the ones you did not tell me, I will add to it. But you have to start all over again to tell me the story so that I will know what I will say when I get there.
I knew you were a dullard the moment I set my eyes on you. My darling.
Thanks, Mom.
For what?
For everything. I mean, see how hard you're trying to get me into the palace. I appreciate it.
Listen, you don't need to thank me. Everything I'm doing is for you to have the best. Okay? Relax. Before the evening of tomorrow, people will be bowing at your feet as the princess of Omani Kingdom.
I can't wait.
Don't forget what I told you. You must make the king believe that you are his lost daughter. Remember, she ran away because I was maltreating her, and she ran away on a Children's Day.
Yes, I remember all of that. I remember you also told me that my story must match with that of Nonso.
Exactly.
You have nothing to worry about. I remember it all, I promise.
You're very smart, my darling daughter. Anyway, go in, let me run along.
Of course, I need to go pack for tomorrow. Yes.
For what? What are you packing?
My stuff.
Listen, you are not coming to the palace with a being. All right? I will make sure that whatsoever you need, clothes, jewelries, makeup, everything will be provided for you.
I trust you, Mom. Thank you so much.
Anyway, run around. Let me go back to the palace, okay?
It's okay, Mom.
See you soon.
Drive safely.
I will, my darling. See you soonest.
Of course. Easy, Mom.
Yes, my darling.
Jeez.
Thank you.
Bye, Mommy. Drive safe.
Rita, where's your mother?
Oh, she just missed her. She just left.
Left? When I'm cooking for her?
I'm sure whatever she eats at the palace tastes more delicious than what you are cooking. And I can't wait to join her.
Really? Suddenly, what she eats at the palace tastes better than what I cook here. Anugum.
Come on, aunt. I didn't mean it that way. Come on. I'll just pull in your legs.
Rita. By the way, did you see Nosu?
Nothing to worry about.
I hope everything is going as planned.
You have to trust Mom. She knows what she's doing. Everything will go as planned.
Okay.
Let me go taste your food one last time before I ship myself to the palace.
You will not eat it.
To start enjoying all the delicacies that the chef is going to be making for me.
Wickedness is a sin in the eyes of the girls. Ojitari, Marapa Mara, no yet kage weta kwaka. If you did to your fellow, God is watching. I was not expecting you this.
So you're not expecting me to come back to my house again?
It's not what I mean.
See, leave everything you're doing right now, eh? Go prepare something for me to eat. I'm very hungry.
My love, there's no food stuff and there's no food at home.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I want to go to the market and sell these things so I can be able to raise money. 1,000 I don't have. It's your...
Take. Use it and cook. Prepare a very delicious meal for me. Take.
Okay, now 1,000 naira cannot cook anything. We don't have any, including salt, we don't have in this house. How am I supposed to perform miracle with 1,000 naira?
Prepare food for me to eat.
This money will not be enough now.
I don't know what you're talking about, oh. Prepare food for me to eat.
Okay. We don't have anything at all in the house.
If you don't want to see hell, do not give me food in the next 40 minutes.
You are running faster than your shadow. Beautiful, elegant, educated, but you are full. You are full. You are full. You are full. Hey, you are full. Okay, fucking anya. Bika waluwaya.
My queen.
Yes, what is it?
This young man said he wants to see the king. Okay. That he has an information about our missing princess.
Oh, really?
Yes,
all right. I will take him to the king myself. You can go back to your work.
Yes, my queen.
You have information concerning the missing princess. All right. I shall take you to the king.
Young man, right? Yes, my king. What is your name? My name is Noso. What is it you want to tell me about my daughter? My king, I know about the princess. Long time ago, when I was just 17 years old, I saw a girl, came into our land from nowhere. Then she was putting on school uniform. I noticed she was sleeping in a very dangerous places. Not until one day a good Samaritan picked her up and raised her. We became close friends. Then she told me a lot about her and her family. She also told me her mother died when she was just 10 years old. And her father remarried. My king, the stepmother was maltreating her. That was why she ran out from the house. What? Yes, my king.
So you've been maltreating my daughter badly right inside my house after all you promised me?
Oh, my king. No, now. I did no such thing.
Young man, where is this lady and what is her name?
She's in our land. Her name is Knwin.
Oh, she's my daughter. Knwin, yes. Oh,
Can you take me to her?
She told me not to tell anyone she's the princess. A few days ago, I heard you were in search of your daughter. So that's the reason I came, to see if she's the one you're looking for.
Yes. Take me to her. She is.
No, my king. You cannot go there. Listen, I will go there to ascertain that she is your daughter, our missing princess.
I don't want you to go there so that you don't get her scared again.
My king, don't say that to me. I am the woman you married, and I have stood by you all these years. Listen, I miss the princess as much as you miss her, and I want her back just as you want her back. Huh?
Okay. If that is the case, you go with some guard, pick some maid and possibly some of the elders.
My king, that will not be necessary. Just one palace guard and a maid is enough.
Do you think she will agree to follow you?
My king, Knwin has been my very close friend. I think I can talk to her into following them, yes.
Okay. A young man, I will give you prize money once my daughter returns.
Prize money?
It's okay. My king, let me see you off. Let's go. My king, I'm coming.
What kept you? I'm sorry, my sister came from her husband's house, so I had to stay back and attend to her.
How is she?
She's fine, oh.
Has she gone?
Yeah, she has gone back. So where are you going to with this gallon?
I wanted to cook, but there is no drop of water in this house. My eye is even turning blue.
So you want to go and fetch water? Eh? Why didn't Obinna fetch the water before leaving the house? How would you be the one to fetch the water? I don't understand.
Obinna be wiring to two.
Oh!
Obinna be called. You know what is ang? B.
Mr. President General among the nation. So you are inside this house? Eh? So you are in there and you allowed my friend Knwin to carry this gallon to go fetch water to use in cooking food that you will eat? Eh? Knowing fully well that she's heavily pregnant. What kind of a man are you? And Agwagi Obinna. What is your problem? Eh? You see, I am not going to keep quiet. Because you're a very heartless and wicked man. Eh? You will not give my friend Knwin money. You will not help her with house chores. You will not even treat her like a woman that she is. What kind of a man are you? Eh? Please allow me to talk to him.
Listen, I don't know what your problem is. Huh? I don't know if we've had problems in the past. I don't know where you're coming from. What is your problem? Eh? What is it? Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself.
Obinna, I am not going to keep quiet because you're a very heartless human being. You're a very heartless man. Eh? How can you allow your girlfriend to go fetch water, knowing whether she's heavily pregnant? What's all this? What kind of a wicked man are you? And Agwagi Obinna abi obio kume. I don't understand. What kind of a man are you?
I know what your problem is.
Oh.
And I know your pains. Your problem is that we are living well. I need biofuma.
Yeah?
Yes, that's your problem. And another problem you have is that you like losing into people's affairs, into people's problem, into people's family. That's very bad. And another thing is your pain. Is paining you because you don't know what relationship is all about. You don't have a boyfriend, you don't have any relationship in your life. Yeah? This relationship I'm having with Knwin, now sorrily, it will keep paining you. It will keep paining you because you are living well. You don't have a boyfriend, you don't have anything, you don't have a relationship, you don't have anybody in your life. And you've come to my home to scatter my beautiful home because you see we are living well, right? You carry your demon to this house. Do you know what? It's not going to be possible. This is godly home. I won't allow you to affect it. Do you understand? Now let me warn you. Mind your business. Next time when we look at that, you will pray. One this your friend. One her.
I will not mind my business. I don't have a monkey.
I will deal with you very
I
soon.
don't have a monkey. Who will tell this one that I have an odogu in my life? I'm not an odegu like him. Who will tell him? What kind of a man is he? I don't even understand. He even have the mind to talk when my friend Chinwe is even managing his life. On our managing no, she's really managing you very well.
Now you cannot cry more than the bereaved. I don't like the way you're always talking to him. Every time you come here, you come to challenge him. Okay, you just said it. Someday now he might break your head. Okay,
one more way for me. See, he cannot even date. He cannot even try it. Is he mad? I will break his head. Does he think that's me? Ifoma, I am weak like you.
I'm not weak. It's just that you don't understand.
You are weak, oh. You are, my darling. You are weak. That is why this Oppo is treating you anyhow. He's doing anyhow. Don't even try it. Just relax. We're all checking on the other. I'll go and fetch the water for you. Since that's brainless nonsense man, you call the boyfriend cannot help you to fetch water.
I don't joke with you. God bless you. You are the best friend anybody can ask.
I will do anything for you. You know this life doesn't suit you. Malicia, sorry, let me help you. Do. Sorry, Just relax. Let me go and fetch the water. Don't mind that Oppo that called himself your boyfriend. Useless, heartless.
Your Highness, behold the princess of Omani Kingdom. I bring her just like I told you. Now your heart can be at peace.
Greetings,
Father.
Oh, my darling daughter. Oh, is that you?
Yes, Father. I've missed you.
And I've missed you too.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, my princess.
Thank you.
My queen, thank you for bringing back our princess. We are all happy to see her.
I am equally happy.
Father, I've been suffering all these years. I ran away from the palace because the queen was maltreating me. Yet you did nothing about it. I ran away thinking you would find me sooner. But you didn't. So I felt you didn't need me. I had to start my life someplace else.
My princess, I am very sorry. I searched for you for 3 good years, but couldn't find you. I thank the gods of our land. You are alive today. I am sorry I have failed you as a father. Please forgive me.
It's okay, Father. A kind lady took me in. She's been raising me all these years. And she's loved me like her own daughter.
Who is that woman in question?
My king. I gave her some money when I went to pick up the princess.
Okay, that will do. But do please invite her for a meal in the palace someday.
Yes, I will do just that. I'll do that.
You're highly welcome, my princess.
Thank you, elders of our land.
You're welcome.
Father, now that I'm back, we have a lot to talk about. But for now, I would like to rest.
Queen Ego,
my king,
please tell the maids to take care of my princess.
I will. My princess, please come with me.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Excuse me, my lords.
You're welcome, my princess.
Father.
I am so excited. Princess is back. Very nice. Are you not happy?
Yeah, happy. We are happy.
We are so happy.
I am so excited.
You should be.
And this is your room.
Oh, finally. Mom.
Yes, theater arts.
I know, right? But come to think of it, the king, he's such a fool. And now he is stuck with me forever as his daughter.
We will rule this kingdom.
And that's on period.
Remember,
yes, Mom.
From now on, you are Princess Chinwe.
Of course, Mom.
Wherever you hear the name Princess Chinwe, turn boldly and answer, alright?
Yes, Mom.
And then you will be calling me my queen. That's what you address me as. My queen.
Was that what she was calling you before she went missing?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. I understand the assignment.
Alright. Anyway, rest a little. I will be back, okay?
Okay, that's fine. Mom, I don't mind having a glass of juice.
Alright, isn't it? We'll bring it.
Thank you, Mom. Oh, finally, I'm in. Oh, finally, my dreams are coming true. Relax, Rita, relax.
Nonso?
Oh, Nonso?
Madam.
How may I help you?
I came to collect my money. The queen said I should come and collect my money here.
Oh, okay, hold on. I'm coming. Where is it?
How much is it?
It's 1 million, of course. You can count it.
1 million.
Yes.
But I heard from somebody that the reward for this is 5 million. So why are you giving me 1 million?
Hi. Poor people are great and ingratitude. Yeah? No, sir. You even saw 1 million. Instead of you to be grateful and thankful to God that you, since in your life, have you been able to count 1 million? And you're counting 1 million, you are complaining. Eh?
Please, I will beg you in the name of God, don't insult me. I beg you.
No, sir, I'm not insulting you. There's no insult here. You better use this money very well. Use it and look for something and start up. Okay? Don't squander it.
First of all, this money is my hard-earned money. I labored for it. So you don't tell me how to spend it at all. Anyway, thank you. God bless you.
Bye-bye. Use it very well. Great man.
Where are you coming from? By this time of the night. Kebi Sinapta.
I'm coming from the market.
Hi. The worst part of it. When do you start lying? Eh?
Obinna, you of all people should know me. I don't lie. From the market, I went to Mamosita's house to carry the plantain she said she bought for me. When I got there, they said she's not around. That was what they told me, that she's not around. I had to wait. I waited. When I noticed it's getting dark, and second natawa.
Wonderful. A nice storyline. You waited and she wasn't coming back. You waited and waited and waited and you now forgot that I have not eaten since the afternoon. You forgot, right?
I'm sorry. Let me go and prepare something for you.
Prepare it from where to where? Hey. Body Eba, you're not going into my house. In my kitchen, rather in my house. If you know where you're coming from, go back there.
No, bro, no fun now. I said I'm sorry.
After sleeping around, go back to that place.
Please now, don't do this to me. I just came back from the market and I'm very tired. I've not even eaten.
After sleeping around, you want to come and sleep in my house? It's not possible.
Me, Chinwendu, sleeping around like this.
Chinwendu.
You know that's not true.
Chinwendu.
Please don't accuse me wrongly.
Go back to where you're coming from. You ain't gonna sleep in my house. Do you understand? I'm a musician. If you can understand that English, go back to where you're coming from.
Obinna, please now. You don't understand that somebody is tired. Eh?
It can only take time. Then Akwa chekewa. Joy is coming. It can only take time.
Chinwe.
Huh?
So you slept out here?
Good morning. Yes.
Next time you will not keep late night.
I was knocking and you refused to open the door for me.
Yeah. And what happened?
I had to sleep here now. Do I have any other option?
You would have gone to Ifeoma's house or something.
So that you conclude that I'm cheating.
You made me sleep without eating anything last night. Please, get up from that place and go figure out something I will eat. I'm very hungry.
No problem. Help me stand up.
Ah! Easy. You're chuming him, baby, yeah? Sorry about that. Mosquito attack. Huh? Be fast, though. Chinwe. If you want to answer me or not, I'm coming.
Oh God, when we're in this suffering, come to an end. I am humbled, but love have made me a fool.
Are these all the maids and guards in this palace?
Yes.
Quite small. But that's by the way. Who amongst you is the head maiden?
I'm Ini, the queen's personal maiden.
And who's the chief guard?
I am. My name is Uzo, and I'm the king's personal guard.
And the rest of you?
My name is...
Shut it! I don't need your names. Your names are of no importance to me. They're useless. I'll just call you Maid 1, Guard 1, or Guard 2, and that's about it. I only address Uzo and Ezine by their personal names. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, Princess Knwin.
Now that I'm back in this palace, you all have to be on top of your game. No more laziness. Incompetence is not allowed. Do you understand me?
Yes, Princess Knwin.
For starters, my friend, my assistant, will be coming into the palace today. She's from a very poor home. Really poor. I want you all to treat her as though she's important, even if I know she's not. Do you understand me?
Yes, Princess Knwin.
Maid 1, off to my room immediately.
Evidence of rumor. I am worried.
What bothers the king of Oman?
On that fateful day, you were all there. When Ufufe said, I will regain my sight the moment my daughter steps into this palace.
We are all there, Your Highness. We witnessed everything.
My daughter is back since yesterday. Till this moment, I have not seen any sign of healing on my side.
Igwe, is that why you are worried? From what you said, your daughter just came back. Then I think you should give yourself some rest. Alright?
Exactly.
My king, there's so much interested on what you are going to benefit from the princess' return. Shouldn't my king think on how to welcome the princess properly, at least by organizing a welcome ceremony?
No. What do you mean?
You see, it has been so long our princess got missing. And she finally came back. By so doing, she will feel loved. Even the gods of the land who brought her back will feel appeased and restore his sight.
No, he's right. Don't you think so?
He's absolutely right.
So are you all suggesting that I organize a ceremony?
Yes, my king. At least she will be properly welcome.
We will see to that. Although,
my king,
see me later in the day. Let's talk about it.
Okay, my king.
We'll be throwing a welcome home ceremony for me.
Really? When is it happening?
By the end of the week.
Hey,
Come.
So how did you get to know about it?
I overheard my mother, the queen, discussing with the king that the owner will be coming by later to discuss on the arrangements.
You know, I'm so happy for you. I can't believe that you are now the princess of the...
Shut it! Shut your mouth. Do not ever say that around here. I am Princess Chinwe. Do you understand that?
I understand, my princess. I'm sorry.
Anyway, did you enjoy the food you ate when you got here?
My princess, I enjoyed it. It was so sweet. Hell, you enjoying
Enough. I'm sure you haven't had such a meal in your entire lifetime.
My princess, I haven't. I can't lie, I haven't.
Just enjoy yourself, okay?
Thank you.
Do not forget, I am Princess Chinwe. Understand that? Do not mess it up.
I won't. I promise I won't. Hey,
perfect.
My princess. Thank you.
You know what? I have more stuff to show you. Come.
More? After all these ones?
Just come with me.
Oh no, this is the princess's welcoming ceremony. It might be small, but we need to give her the best.
My queen, I understand. And I'll make sure everything is in order.
We need the best musicians. Nothing but the best.
No problem, my king. I will ask around and I'll make sure I get the people that will give us the best and nothing but the best on that day.
Oh no, if there is any other thing, I will send the message across.
Okay, my king.
And if you need any assistance, don't fail to ask, okay?
It's all right, my queen. I'll be on my way.
Now that the princess is back, I want to right all my wrongs. I want to show her how sorry I am.
I am happy you want to make things right. Now we can live as one royal happy family.
One big royal family.
Obina, did you take my money? Eh?
Which money are you talking about?
The 6,000 naira I kept in my bag, did you take it? Obina, I'm talking to you.
Yes, I did.
You did? Why? Obina, that money, I'm supposed to use it to pay my mom sister for the bunches of plantain she gave to me. Oh. That is why I left that money there. Obina, I'm asking you about my money now. I'm asking you about my money.
Is it because of 6,000 naira that you want to talk to me now?
Yes, it's because of 6,000 naira. Please, I need it.
Eh?
It's because of 6,000 naira.
Why must you talk to me anyhow? Because
why must I talk to you anyhow? You are wicked. You is what a wicked. Just take a good look at me. See how tattered, how hopeless I'm looking. I work tirelessly in this house. Lenka. I will cook. I will fetch water. I will wash your clothes. I will do everything for you. You are not bringing kobo for food stuff. Yet you go and take my money without any remorse.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you because you've been eating my money in this house.
Which money?
Okay?
Which money am I eating?
Enjoying me
what
in this house.
Picture my
Now, because I took your ordinary 6,000 naira and because we're here doing relationship, you think you can open your mouth anyhow and talk to me? No, go ahead. Talk to me.
Obina, please give me that money. Obina, you know you have been doing this thing. You have been doing it for a very long time now. You will not continue to do this to me. You are frustrating my life. We are expecting a child. We are yet to buy even one thing for the baby. Even one thing we have not bought. And you are here, living your life, enjoying life the way you want. No problem. Save the money. You'll be taking it anyhow you want. I am not taking it again. I am a project base. Man, take it again. If for that 6,000, you will give it to me.
I took it. Because I need it.
Job, Nanya. You Job on Afufu.
Because I need it.
You see this one, I will not take it though. You see this one, this particular one, I will not take it. Yes, I'm not sure. You're frustrating me. Give me my money. Give me my money. Do your worst.
You're disturbing me.
Do your worst. Give me my money. If you want to kill me, kill me. Give me my money. I know how I'm suffering to make this money. I know what I'm going through. Just look at me. Just take a good look at me. Can't make a God forbid. Yes, you have the temerity to go and take my money. You can't come and go. If we're gone, you need to go for me. I'm not going to
I'm not him a G flat no poor. Yeah? You don't know what it takes to play these things and go out there and entertain people. Yeah? Because I took your 6,000 naira, you're insulting me. Greetings, my queen.
Welcome, Her Majesty.
Who is he?
He's my boyfriend.
Your what?
Yes, mother. You didn't go out with any maid or guard. Why?
I have something personal to take care of. I didn't want any wide mouth going with me. But please don't make this discussion about me. See me in my room immediately.
Yes, mother.
It's like she doesn't like me.
She doesn't have any choice. Let me just go see her. I'll be right back, okay? I'll ask them to get you a drink.